Hey guys, this is Tech Helpline bringing you new tutorial videos on how to run your daily applications. So today we're going to be figuring out how do we install and log into our Telegram account. So Telegram is a free and open source cross-platform cloud-based instant messaging software. This provides end-to-end encrypted video calling, VoIP, file sharing, and several other features just like WhatsApp, Viber, but the main thing about Telegram is that it can send a different numbers of large files in a very short amount, and it's really one of the most smoothest applications I've ever heard of. So in order to open your Telegram, first you need to download it. So open Telegram on your iPhone or iPad. It's the blue icon with the white paper airplane inside it. You usually find it on your home screen. All right, so if you don't have Telegram installed, you can download it on free on your app store. So once you open your Telegram, you can start messaging. You can type on your number, and once you type your number, you just press on the next button. Right, so enter your phone number. Telegram will automatically fill in your country code. If the listed country is not correct, tap the arrow next to the country and select another from the list. So once you get that, you will be getting a confirmation code, and once you confirm your code, you will be automatically logged into your Telegram account. So after this, they will be sending you an SMS with a code, and that automated code will be entered. You'll have to open the text message from Telegram to find it. So if you use Telegram on a different phone or tablet connected to the same number, the code will initially be sent there. So tap haven't received the code to get an SMS to send the correct phone or table with the number you're using for. Right? So this is how you log into your Telegram account.